To set up Binance Authenticator, start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then select Security. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section and click on Google Authentication. You will be prompted to download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store if you do not already have it installed. Once installed, open the Google Authenticator app and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Binance app with the Google Authenticator app, or manually enter the secret key provided by Binance. After successfully scanning or entering the code, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code that changes every 30 seconds. Return to the Binance app and enter the 6-digit verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. You will then be prompted to create a backup key, which is used to restore access to your account in case you lose your mobile device or the Google Authenticator app. Write down the 16-character backup key and store it in a safe location, such as a secure note-taking app or a physical safe. Do not share the backup key with anyone, as it grants access to your Binance account. Once you have set up the Binance Authenticator, you will be required to enter the 6-digit verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app every time you log into your Binance account. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access. It is essential to keep your mobile device and the Google Authenticator app secure, as anyone with access to the app can generate the verification code and potentially access your Binance account. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Binance support. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up and use the Binance Authenticator to enhance the security of your Binance account.